So today is March 12th, 2017. I'm here with my friends Zugi and Xavier. And today is a beautiful day in Santa Barbara. We're gonna go to the farmer's market right now. We just got here. And then we're gonna go to the beach because it's awesome and it's gonna be really warm today. So it should be cool and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So hope you enjoy. No cats, no puppies. So we're biking down DP now. DP is UCSB's most lit street for partying, you know. But yeah, it's right on the ocean. You can't really see because it's still kind of foggy on this side. But yeah, we're heading towards the beach and it's gonna be cool. To the beach. We did. But it's really foggy and it's not as warm as we expected. Yeah, it's cold actually. Yeah, it's a little chilly. So fast forward a couple hours later, I left the beach early because my head hurt really bad. So I came back to the room and I showered and stuff. And then my roommate here, Kristen, she was like getting ready to go out, right? And then she invited me. So now I'm going out and I got ready. I feel really like sick, like I'm about to get sick, but like, you know, the party continues. No, but yeah, so it's gonna be fun. We're going on a party bus, I think, and then we're gonna go to a club, so it's gonna be fun. Woo! Yo, check this meal out. It's so nice.
Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. Bitches bad and bougie, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bougie, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds.